Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Myself Diamond, I am a student of Thinker and she is my friend. She will introduce herself.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. My name is Yashasvi. I am a student of Thinker.
Now we are preparing remote boat. So to prepare remote boat, required materials are chassis and 4 wheel locks, 2 BC motors and nuts, caster wheel, joystick, DC socket wire, 2 wheels, adapter and ribbon and soldering machine. These are required materials to make remote boat. Now let's see how to prepare. So first we have to take chassis and we have to insert these wheel lock into this. Now we have to take DC motor and we have to check this. We have to keep this right side and now we have to take one screw and insert in this hole. Now we have to take another and we have to insert here in this. And now we have to fit it. So it has completed. Next we have to do another same like this. Here we have to check this. Here we have to fit. We have to fit upside also. Next another side. Next we have to insert wheels here. And another wheel we have to insert here. Now we have to take ribbon wire and one side we have to tear it like this, and we have to tear this. In this there are 4 colors, one grey, white or the other side and a blue, black or another side. So black and blue whites we have to attach here and here, one upside and one downside. Another 2 colors we have to insert here. One white color is here and grey color downside by the help of soldering machine. So I have inserted these wires into these holes. Now with the help of soldering machine we have to attach this. Now by the help of soldering machine I have attached these wires. Let's see this. Now we have to take joystick and first black and blue colors is there. First we have to keep here we see motor 1. First we have to keep blue. At first we have to keep black. After we have to fit this. And next the blue color into second one, and now we have to fit this. And next first we have to, in motor 2 we have to keep first grey color, into this, in this, and now we have to fit this. Next white color into this. Now we have to fit. Next we have to take DC socket wire. Now we are seeing one black color and one red color. Here you can see GND and VCC names. Red color first we have to keep here and fit it. And black color into second one. Next we have to take caster wheel and insert here by helping of so it's completed. Now it's completed. Now we have to take adapter and fit it into DC socket. Now remote completed. So let's check how it works.
The remote boat is completed. Let's play with remote boat.
successfully we completed remote board. So
I am a young thinker.